doing amazingly well today. Welcome back to my channel, Truth for the Naked Eye XO, and let's get into this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you my simple everyday makeup look slash date makeup look. So it's something that I tend to wear if I'm going shopping, or just something just to add a little bit more and have my eyes pop out a bit more. I'd use it for first dates as well, just because I'm not somebody that does a full face every single day. I prefer to use those for like more special occasions, like for nights out or if I'm going out for a meal and things like that. But this is just what I would normally wear, just for something, just a little bit of zhuzh going on. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below, hit that notification bell and be in the know of when all my new videos will be posted up, and like this video as well. Let's see if we can get this video to 100 likes. That would be absolutely amazing. But without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So first thing I'm going to be using is the Nude concealer in Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind Eraser, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelids. Obviously you can use eye primer, but I'm feeling that I want to use concealer today, which also works as an eye primer. And just use my ring finger to pop it all in, put it all over, and that's done. I really like this product. This is like one of the most amazing ones to get for concealers, so definitely grab yourself one of those if you're thinking of buying a new one, because it is insane. It's time to go in with my favourite eyeshadow palette, Too Faced Bonbons, and I'm going to be taking some natural colours in here. So the first one I'm going to go in, I'm going to mix two together. I'm going to use Cashew Chew and also Almond Truffle. Just mix those in together on my brush and just pack that all over the lid. It's really nice to use natural colours, just purely I think that they bring out my eyes a bit more, which I really like. I'm using nice natural shades, and plus as well the fact that this palette smells like chocolate is just incredible anyway. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Mocha, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to place that on top. So this is just going to put a bit more brown on top. The thing I'm going to use is this from Soap&Glory. It is their Superata eyeliner in black. I'm just going to start up here on the middle and then work my way out, build upon that a little bit more, and then just come over the inner corner and make sure that's all coloured in. So that's that side done. Let's go in with this side. That's that bit done. Liking it already. So I'm going to be going in with the Soap&Glory eyeliner. This is their limited edition twist up eyeliner, and this is also in black. Put that on my top waterline. That's just going to bring it out a bit more. I don't normally like putting it on the bottom lid as well. If I'm doing a nice natural look, I quite like it just to be on the top. I just feel like it brings my eyes out a bit more, makes it a bit bolder, and then it just doesn't look so small. It's definitely for this type of look, I just want things to be natural and yeah, make those blue jewels pop. The thing I'm going to use is one of my favourite mascaras of all time, and this is by Loreal. Let's get that right up. And this is the L'Oreal L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar. This is really cool because this is like a double-ended mascara brush. So you start with number one, priming your lashes, just so it gives them the start of that volume that you want. And then you go in with the number two side next. You can hear the wind blowing really loudly outside. It's been so strong today. Literally, I remember, was it earlier? And it only lasted for about 10 minutes, but it was like a mini thunderstorm. And now I'm going to go in with the other side, and then I'll check you guys in a little bit. My lips are looking a little bit flaky, so I'm just going to put some lip exfoliator on top. Just get rid of that dead skin effect that I got going on, because that's not pretty. Oh, I love the taste of this stuff. I'm gonna grab a face wipe and just get that all off. Now, depending on where you're going, if it's a date, if it's just a simple day out, you can just use lip balm, you can use lip gloss and whatnot. I tend to vary between whichever. Sorry, I turned my film down. So for now, I'm just going to go in with some lip balm. And this is from Unique. It's their lip bonbons in the shade Vanilla Milkshake. And then a bit later, just before I go, I'm going to put this on. And this is the NYX Liquid Lipstick Matte. And it's in the shade Push Up. Just find it gives my lips that little bit of colour. Sorry, I still got sugar scrub on my lips. And it's really nice to taste. But I'm just going to go in with my Bonbons palette once again. And I'm going to use the shade Satin Sheets. And all I'm going to do is just put that on my lid, and it's just going to give it a bit more something going on. And you can just use it just in your inner corner, but I just feel like today I just want to brighten up my eyes a little bit. And that is pretty much it. So I don't tend to normally do foundation or anything like that. Sometimes if my cheeks are a bit red or just around my nose and my chin, I do go in with a concealer again, and I literally just put it on the bits that are red. I don't put on any more than that. But yes, this is the finished look, which I'm absolutely loving. I'm a bit shiny, but you need a bit of shine every now and again, guys. It needs to be done. If you liked it, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and then press that notification bell to be in the know of when new things will be coming out. And yes, this is my simple everyday / date makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care.